What's been going on with Profit Trader, and are they the next rug pull in the trading prop firm space? We're going to cover that in this video. But before we do, fam, we are live right here on YouTube Monday through Friday, the New York Open, day trading, the NASDAQ, where you see my green days, my red days, my full tilt moments, everything that involves me as a trader. You see right here live on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button to get those live streams. Also, we're doing a free day trading mastermind course in Discord, link down in the description. Be sure to go join up. We're covering everything from market profile, TPO charts, initial balance, point of control, value area. It's going to be very info heavy. You do not want to miss it. It's going to be a good time. Smash that Discord link down in the description to join up. And last but not least, if you want to go straight to a funded account without going through eval stage, Trader 5 spending 35% off, use code JM. With that said, let's get in the video. So Profit Trade sent out an email to all of its people because there are a lot of people that are needing payouts. They're not getting their money. And they sent an email kind of explaining the situation as to what's been going on. We still don't have very much info. We're still missing a lot of context. They briefly mentioned some things that are going on, but we're going to cover this email real quick. Again, there's a lot of information that we still don't know. We don't know if Profit Trading is a rug pull, if they're going to shut down. We don't know any of that. But what we do know is what they said in this email. And that is, here is the situation. I highlighted some key points here. Here's the situation. Unfortunately, we cannot yet provide detailed explanations about the reasons behind the delays. However, in a few days, when we are able to share more openly, you will understand why we could not discuss it earlier. We are aware that some expect to see our website taken offline at any moment, while others believe that this could be financially advantageous to us. To all of you, we simply say this: we are still standing and we have no intention of leaving. So they are trying to bring a little bit of clarity, saying they are not going to shut down. However, we have seen this from FTT. I mean, it's pretty similar where they said they are solvent and they are not going anywhere. This could be a different scenario, right? Because we're talking about something entirely different than what FTT was going through. And we'll cover that here in a second. This could be different, may not be. Who knows? Again, we lack a lot of context around what's going on, which we should find out more here soon. But they do say they are still standing and they have no intention of leaving. So you can take that at face value, if you will. The real reason behind our challenges lies in the actions of fraudsters and scammers of all kinds. Sounds like Apex. With all the scammers and schemers and this and that. Sounds like they're battling with some scammers here. If you dislike being victims of scams, know that in this case, we are the victims. Yes, there are prop firms out there that scam their users, but there are also many traders whose sole purpose is to scam us. As mentioned, we will soon reveal the methods used by these individuals as well as their names. I don't know if they can, I don't know if they can do that unless it's in a lawsuit. I don't know. Because they're not only defrauding us, but also spreading defamatory lies about us. Our legal team is currently building a strong case against them. I can guarantee that they will be held accountable for their actions, regardless of the country in which they reside, the United States, Spain, to name just two key examples. I don't know how that would work out. I don't know how you'd build a legal case with somebody in a completely different country. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know the legality terms with that. I don't know the boundaries there, but I don't know how you build a case on somebody that's in a completely different country. I guess you could, maybe. I don't know. If you're a lawyer, put it in the comments. Let me know if you can do that. I really don't know. But they are saying that we will make these cases clear examples of what not to do. Since the beginning, our goal has been to build an ethical and fair company for everyone. Even though the current situation may give the impression of an imminent collapse, we still have many cards to play. So this is kind of odd here. We still have many cards to play after saying an impression of an imminent collapse. That's kind of weird wording. I don't necessarily like that because it feels like that an imminent, they made that, the way they worded this, it made it sound like that an imminent shutdown is a possibility of profit trade, right? Made it sound like it is a possibility because they're saying they have many cards to play before that is happening. So it sounds like that shutdown is in fact on the table. And usually when you get emails like this from prop firms, and we learned this from FTT, that usually a shutdown is coming and it's going to happen potentially. In this case, they are saying they have more avenues to take to avoid that. But what we all learned from FTT, when we see things like this, a lot of times the shutdown does happen. Again, we lack context. We don't have as much information. There's still a lot to come out about what's happening in profit trading, so we can make our judgments and our assumptions based on more information that comes out. But this email doesn't look great. It doesn't look good. Then they wrap up the email to say thank you to those who continue to believe in us and support us. Your messages are precious. source of motivation. To those who have lost trust, we will do everything in our power to regain it. I also wonder if, FTT was talking about doing all these refunds for all their traders that got basically screwed over in rug pool. I wonder if they do shut down, if they will offer refunds. I don't know if they will or not. Again, that's going to be entirely up to the prop firm, and we still have a lot of information to learn about this whole scenario. But if you are affected by this and that you are delayed on payouts, not getting your payouts, put it down in the comment section. Let me know down below what you guys are going through. If you are in this whole delayed payout or not getting your money fiasco, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know what you guys think about this email. If you did get it, in my opinion, it doesn't look great. I don't like some of the wording in here they put, especially when they say this may give the impression of an imminent shutdown or imminent collapse, but we still have many cards to play. Obviously, that puts a collapse on the table with the way they worded that. So it's overall a weird situation, but just keep in mind that we are using prop firms at our own risk. We know that prop firms have a risk attached to them. We should never go all in on a prop firm. It should be just kind of like a secondary source of revenue, and just always make sure you're managing your risk on and off the charts. And that means using prop firms as well. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments, guys. As always, if you like this kind of content, smash that like button down below, subscribe to get more of the content, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.